Today, I'll walk you through how to share a document in OneDrive with others, all from inside Microsoft Excel 2013. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to send your workbook to colleagues or friends, but you'll understand which sharing options to use and how to make sure everyone can access and edit just the way you want. Let's get right into it and make collaboration easier than ever. First things first, go ahead and launch Microsoft Excel 2013. Open up the Excel file you're planning to share. This could be anything, like a budget you're working on with your family or a project tracker for your team at work. The important thing is that you open the actual file you want others to see or edit. Before you can share, your document needs to be saved to OneDrive. Think of OneDrive as your digital cloud locker. It lets you access your files anywhere and makes sharing seamless. If your file isn't already there, click on the File tab at the top left. Now click Save As. Here you should see the OneDrive option. Select that. If you haven't logged in before or recently, Excel might prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Don't worry, this is just a one-time step to connect your account. If it asks where to save in OneDrive, you can choose your main Documents folder or any folder you like. Once your file is resting comfortably in OneDrive, let's move to the sharing part. Click back on the File tab, then click on Share. Excel will show you sharing options. Choose Share with People, or it might be called Invite People. The wording can vary depending on your setup, but the meaning is the same. What we're doing here is basically inviting folks into your documents world. In the sharing pane that appears, start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to share with. This is especially convenient if you're sharing within a work group. Excel might even pop up suggestions from your contacts, but you can always paste in an email manually. Now, right next to the box where you enter names, there's a small drop-down menu. Take a moment here. This determines what your recipients can do. If you leave it as Can Edit, they'll be able to make changes. If you switch it to Can View, they'll only be able to look. Think of it like showing someone your notebook through a window versus letting them write in it. That little bit of granularity can help you control your document, depending on whether you want true collaboration or just want to share information. You can optionally write a short message, maybe a quick, "Here's our latest schedule, let me know what you think." This isn't required, but it's friendly and it lets people know why you're sharing. Then just click the Share button. Excel sends out email invitations automatically and you're done. Now what happens next? Each recipient will get an email containing a link to your file. When they click, they'll be able to open the file right in their web browser or in their own Excel app with exactly the permissions you set. You on your end will see tiny shared icons sometimes pop up on your file in OneDrive, a little visual reminder that your file is out there being used as a collaborative tool. And that's it. You've just set up seamless permission-based sharing from right inside Excel 2013. If any steps seemed a bit fussy, take your time, especially with permissions, and remember, you can always update or remove sharing later in OneDrive itself. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions or comments below. I love to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials like this one. Good luck with your sharing and see you in the next video.